explore the deep blue sea. Wiggle like a fish, swim side to side. Hold your breath, now open wide. An octopus waves with 8 long arms. The sea turtles swim past coral farms. Herd dolphins jump up high and free. Come on, let's go, just follow me. Swim, swim side to side. Swish, swish. Jump up high, take a ride. Woo-hoo! Spin like a whirlpool, round and round. Bubble up, don't touch the ground. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah. Mr. Crab goes click, clack, clack. Jellyfish jiggle, wiggle right back. The sharks say boo, but don't be scared. They just wanna play, they love to share. Little starfish waves with a happy face. See big blue whales sing deep in space. A treasure chest, what could it be? Let's open it up and count to 3. Swim, swim, side to side. Swish, 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 swish. Jump up high, take a ride. Woo-hoo! Spin like a don't touch the ground. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah. Shh. Can you hear the ocean song? The waves go whoosh, the whales hum along. The bubbles rise, the fish swim low. Under the sea, there's so much to know. Big exciting finish, swim side to side. Touch the ground.